Just a normal day for Amanda, going to work. Just a normal day for a burglar, going to work. Did you know that every 40 seconds somebody's home is broken into in the UK? Wooden doors and frames are being kicked in by burglars with alarming ease. It doesn't matter what quality locks are fitted or even how many. Your wooden door and door frame is just not strong enough. A burglar can steal more than just your belongings. He can steal your feeling of security. If you discover you have been the victim of a theft or burglary from your home, it's important that you call the police immediately. The next call you make should be 0800 298 8008. The sooner we are involved, the better. We'll come to your home as soon as possible and install a strong temporary door to keep you safe. We can then order a made-to-measure Titan steel security door, which is as strong as a vault door. With an 18-bolt locking system and luxury wood finish, our Titan steel security doors come in any design, any shape and any color. Steel security doors and frames are specially designed to keep burglars out of your apartment, home or office. Amanda is delighted and fully confident that when she locks up and goes to work, she knows nobody is going to force open her door. Don't let this happen to you. Call ASL for a free survey today or visit our website www.steelsecuritydoors.co.uk.